what's up guys? It's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury real estate experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right, so today we are in the funky neighborhood in East Dallas of Little Forest Hills. Little Forest Hills it's very quirky, has a lot of different things going on with new construction, older little quirky homes. But anyways, it's very cool and coveted. This one is only 5 minutes from Dallas Arboretum, 5 minutes from White Rock Lake, and 15 minutes from downtown Dallas. This is a new construction, modern, mid-century modern design. They really kept it to its true modern, mid-century modern design. But anyway, Sheila, give us more information about this one specifically.
Yes, it is a 4-bedroom, 2.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 2,915 square feet. And it's currently listed at $1,200,000, which is $412 price per square foot. And it's sitting on a 0.16 acre lot, which is roughly 7,000 square feet. So yeah, right. It's a nice lot, great. Has wall-to-wall glass windows.
Yes,
and then
floor to ceiling.
Floor to ceiling,
yes.
Yeah.
So I do want to add that this one here is the latest collaboration by C&M Urban Developers and AIA. They have built some awesome mid-century modern homes here in the Dallas area. But anyways, can't wait to show you guys.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Or perhaps you're in the market to sell your house for top dollar in today's market. Maybe you're moving to Dallas and you need a place to live. We can definitely help you with all your buyer needs in the Dallas area. All you need to do is schedule a buyer or seller consultation call in one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. And yeah.
See you guys next time.
You know what I was going to say before that? I can see all my white natural hairs in this natural light.
Well, there you go.
Getting old. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.
See you next time.